this way so I got enough paint up there with my paintbrush when I cut that in, and then I'll go back over it again, okay, with this same brush, or the roller. So see, I'm down 3 or 4 steps. So if I can look up there comfortably. I hit the wall again. Dabbity dabbit. It's okay. Even if I had a really good paintbrush, I would have a tendency to hit the wall right in there. Wow. That's because the wall dips in just a hair. I could have put more caulking in there, but it's all caulked well back in there. I think I'm going to leave that, and then I can always paint it same color. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut in. This in too. Get my step. As we'll cut that in now. Yourself enough along the edge. You don't get too close with the roller. And I'll do that. I'll do that all along the bottom, I guess. So you don't need a professional paintbrush. I'm showing you how to do it with just a cheap old paintbrush, in case you don't want to spend very much money. Okay. Oh, got the top, didn't I? Okay. Don't get too much paint on your roller. And here's something. After you do it, you want to hit this edge because you don't want to get build up on the outside edge or the inside. So Every once in a while I'll wipe that edge and I'll wipe that edge. Okay? You just slop it all on there. Your roller cover's gonna start dripping. Okay? Now I can hit this. Again, so that I have the same stipple all the way across, right? Get rid of my paintbrush marks like that. Okay.
I can't see him. I can see you. Oh, hi, Lee.
And so
Hi, honey. Hi,
now I'm gonna do the step and get it as close as I can.
Here's my husband on the deck.
Joe, I'm on video too.
Joe.
Hey,
VideoJoe.
I'm doing the steps. What do you think, baby? This is just the first coat. Hey, you.
Who's that, Eduardo?
Eduardo.
Eduardo.
Did you bring him over from the other side?
Yes, I did. It's Jose.
Jose, can you see?
See what a nice job he's done? See what a nice job he's done on this whole deck? Really, really nice. Look at
Now
my-
get your
look at
roller
my
as
head.
close as you can,
My head.
not hitting anything, all the way along. Okay.
Some sort of yellow shade to their arms
There. Now can you see that the paintbrush marks
all the way down
are
here.
only this much, about that much, all the way around the edge, and that's it. The rest of it is all of my roller brush marks, my roller marks, okay? That's what you want. I think that's the key for my whole project that I'm gonna do. Okay, and I'm just gonna
Yeah, no, we didn't.
One-
We've never been able to because this was
one bit at a time. That's it. Move my roller cover a little bit so I get more paint on there in different bits, see? Okay. It's actually quite fun, rewarding when you get done. You think, wow, I did that. Didn't know I had it in me. Thanks, Joe. Thank you, brother. I could have used a 6-inch mini roller, but you know, the four's working out just fine. I've got a 6 in there. I could have brought that out, but I didn't. Wanted to show you that you can do it with the 4. Ah, see, I got it on the wall again. Just a little bit right in there, but hey, you know you're going to do some touch-up on your existing wall anyways. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Beautiful. And you did it yourself, and you saved big.